Sunday, but you look really, really chilled actually. You don't look tired at all, which is good. It's very good. Because I feel like we can just squeeze. I would be expected to feel sorry for you. I don't feel sorry for you. I feel actually disappointed, actually.
Let's push things.
I think we can push this all the way into Monday, ladies and gentlemen. If you came here to have a good time. Did you come here to have a good time? Make it complete. So what's the story? Guaranteed accuracy in that CD. Hold it down for your head's getting good. I know you can't stop thinking of her. Move to the back a bit. I'm going to stand up from there, and when I jump off, I want you to you're going to be like a butterfly on a leaf, causing a tidal wave in Polynesia, okay? The attack. Fuck you playing that. Right, I'm going to jump off this, and you watch that fucking girl go sick. Trust me. You watch that girl. Because that is my friend. She doesn't support the same football team as me, but she's my fucking friend. Your girl's now fed up. Are you ready? Watch. Please don't let me down. It could have been to anger. Jesus needs silent. And their lives don't provide them this stage-side violence. Common sense, simple common sense. Jesus needs excitement. And their lives don't provide them this stage-side violence. Common sense, simple common sense. Realize don't provide him with side violence. Common sense, simple common sense. Jesus need excitement. Realize don't provide him with side violence. Common sense, simple common sense. All I'm trying to get is literally 3 minutes of your time. 3 minutes of madness. I know the sun's hot, I get it, but it's not raining. Said one day she'd walk away, cause I was always there. Thought things were okay, didn't care though anyway. Say sorry about to me and mate, tempting fate. First met through a shared view, she loved me and I did too. It's now 7:50, getting ready, better be lifting. Get my hair quickly, step out, it's cloudy. Make bells me tomorrow, buddy, I've got 2 Henrys and a demons to play. Call upon Jesus to rid these green trees of my reeking jeans. I can't air out glaring Jesus stairs. I'm here and I'm there. Stay hydrated, ladies. The silence after the cheers. I didn't know it was over till it was too late. It's too late. But if I ever needed you, what's that? What's that? No, I know this is cool. Will you show them what that is? So sex. Sex. But listen, I didn't come here to make love. I came here to have a good time. Okay? I actually don't care. I don't care if you didn't come here for a good time. I don't care. Because that is what having a good time is. Is it not? We grew up right to the top. Jesus stairs bounced off. Standing at the top of this huge mountain, smiling and shouting, spring flowers sprouting. Not 1 inch down in my mind as I reached the gates. Came round the corner at a rate, which I loved that was going to set things straight. Never again am I going to be late. Never again am I going to be late. Never again am I going to be late. I didn't know that it was over till it was too late. Yeah. But if I ever needed you, leave now, don't be late. I waited for a while, listening to her voicemail, mindset sail. The facts turning pale, wind and hail, of years of blood. They're going to be there. That's amazing. She walks away, too little, too late. I step up the pace, walk past the gates, rain runs over my face. Spirit falls with grace. I purchase a hazy escape at the elf. I hope that's not real. If that's real, it's worth a lot of money. And these guys are insane. They're mental. They're completely mad, all of them. Because they're just like, we're gonna... Significance and nothing holds relevance. Because the only thing I can see is her relevance. I didn't know that it was over till it was too late. It's too late. If I ever needed you, would you be there? Yeah. I didn't know that it was over till it was too late. If I ever needed you, would you be there? Didn't know that it was over till it was too late. If I ever needed you, would you be there? Is this what it is? Sunday morning? I feel this is the problem. This is the problem, mate. Rainy, look. There's a split. Do you want that? Should I save that for you? I'll put it there. All these walls were never really there, nor the ceiling or the chair. I make it weeks at peace on the beach. See the breezes, leave the trees. These walls you'll find are yours and mine. Find not like heroes. So you see some vodka. You know, slow your face. You know, this really helped me through this. I'm really for 25 minutes. And it's so hot, man. And you're here all weekend. You know, I'm just working the toilets. Dizzy new heights, surrounded by the lights, easy for the vibe. I think I might collapse if I wear those. They can settle wars with this. If only they will. Imagine the world's leaders on wheels. Then imagine the one after. What's caused before? The weak become the heroes and the stars align. Let's do another, I think. Yeah, one more piece. I'm thinking. These toilets are piss tape. Queues bigger than up the door. Gotta get rid of this pill taste. Why are they chatting so much more? Glad I'm not a girl in this place. They'll be here till dawn. Somebody's tingling a bit. Something's happening, I'm sure. Listen, the pain inside. Listen, if I told you I could guarantee that you would have 2% better weekend, would you take it? Would you do something I asked you to do that made you feel a little bit uncomfortable? If I could guarantee that you would enjoy your weekend 5% more, would you do it? Would you do it? Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay, we're going to do something a little bit uncomfortable, okay? But I guarantee you it will make your life better. Yeah, they cheer. Can they see my hand in the air? There's a wave them over here. You swear Simone's kissing Dan. My head's twisted severe. Body's rushing. Right, you said you did this, okay? You said yes. Right, just turn to someone that you don't know. Turn to someone you don't. You said you would do this. Turn to someone you don't know. Okay, we're going to go mad for 1 minute. Together, because we are not alone. And even if you support the same team, it doesn't mean shit, ladies and gentlemen. So we should help each other. Some more! We're going to go mad for 1 minute. And you are very lucky, because I am going to show you how to do it. I am the greatest to ever do it. There is no one better than me, but you would want in the middle there, showing you what to do. I'm the greatest. 1 minute, that's all I ask. Now that we know each other, we are ready to go mad for just 1 minute.
Peter! Oh, Peter!
Birmingham.
I don't care if you're from Birmingham. He's from Birmingham, and he didn't help me. So I'm going to rely on Germany as a whole. Because let's be honest, we just want to be like you. I'm serious. One single moment, your whole life can turn round. Stand there for a minute, staring straight into the ground. Looking to the left slightly, looking back down. Well feels like it's caved in, proper sorry frown. Please let me show you where we can only just be for us. I can change it up and roll, we can adjust. The wicked thing about us is we always have trust. Can even have an open relationship if you must. I look at her, she stares away, straight back at me. But her eyes glaze over like she's looking straight through me. And her eyes must close to what seems an eternity. When they open up, she's looking down at her feet. Dry your eyes, babe. I know it's hard to take what her mind has been made of. There's plenty more things to see. Dry your eyes, babe. I know you want to make us see how much this pain hurts. But you've got to walk away now. It's over. So then I move my hand up, sit down by my side. It's shaking, my life is crashing before my eyes. Turn the palm of my hand up to face the skies. Touch the bottom of her chin and now a sight. Cause I can't imagine my life without you and me. There's things I can't imagine doing, things I can't imagine seeing. It weren't supposed to be easy. Surely, please, please, beg you, please. She brings her hands up towards where my hands rested. She wraps her fingers around mine with a softness she's blessed with. She peels away my fingers, looks at me and then gestures. I'm pushing my hand away to my chest from hers. I know it's hard to take what her mind has been made of. There's plenty more things to see. Dry your eyes, babe. I know you want to make her see how much this pain hurts. But you've got to walk away now. It's over. Yeah, obviously when I get in, I would like to give you all beer and water, because you're just withering, like, you know. But you're not alone, and I'm gonna drink with you. Trying to pull her close out of bare desperation. Put my arms around her, trying to change what she's saying. Pull my head level with hers so she might engage it. Look into her eyes to make her listen again. I'm not gonna just fucking leave it all now. She said it'd be forever. You're gonna let our things simply crash and fall down. Well out of order, knows it's well out of town. Pulls away my arms and tightly clamp round her waist. Gently pushes me back as she looks at me straight. She turns around and she's now got her back to my face. Takes one step forward, looks back and she's gone. Dry your eyes, babe. I know it's hard to take my home.